Hello and welcome, this is Tech Enthusiast, and in today's video we are going to talk about Poco F3 series. Meanwhile, make sure you are subscribed to the channel because I'm uploading daily tech videos, and also turn on notifications, and goal for today's video is to reach 500 likes. So smash that like button and also share video with your friends on all social media. And if you haven't already, follow me on Twitter, @OneTechEnthusiast. And with all that being said, let's continue with the topics. Xiaomi has registered the Redmi K40 in Singapore under its Poco brand, having been released in China with the model number M2012K11AC. The C suffix denotes that the model will be sold exclusively in China. So the M2012K11AG should be the global version. The Infocomm Media Development Authority only revealed that the M2012K11AG would be a Poco device, but the FCC has gone one better. While the FCC only refers to the Poco device as the M2012K11AG, two EMI numbers nestled in one report reveal its true identity. Searching these EMIs reveals that the M2012K11AG is the Poco F3, as the screenshot shows. It remains unclear when Xiaomi will unveil the Poco F3, but we already know what hardware it will feature. Specifically, the Poco F3 will have a Qualcomm Snapdragon 870 processor, a minimum of 6GB of RAM, and at least 128GB of storage. Additionally, the device will have 4520 mAh of battery capacity and will ship with MIUI 12. MIUI 12.5 will arrive as soon over-the-air OTA update, but this will probably not be until the second half of the year at the earliest. The Poco F3 will have Samsung's E4 AMOLED display too, which we expect Xiaomi and Poco to make a big thing of in their marketing. The E4 has 120Hz refresh rate combined with 1300 nit peak brightness, among other many impressive specifications. Identically, Xiaomi is expected to bring the Redmi K40 Pro to global audiences as the Poco F3 Pro, but the Redmi K40 Pro Plus fate remains unknown. The latest leak underlines that the Poco brand will not spawn an original device as the Poco Phone F1 was. Instead, it continues to be a way for Xiaomi to repackage devices that it has already released, like with Poco F2 Pro and the Poco X2 last year. Hence, it seems unlikely that Xiaomi will ever release a true successor to the Poco Phone F1, despite the enduring popularity of the 2018 smartphone. In short, the Poco F3 will not be a return to the roots of its namesake. And also, Indian tech influencer Mukul Sharma has come out with exclusive information regarding their global launch and specs. Mukul in a Twitter post says that the Poco F3 and Poco X3 Pro global launch could happen this month, March. Among these, the Poco X3 Pro is also set to launch in countries like India, as per recent tip by another Twitter user. To further kindle the rumor of this launch event, Poco Global spokesperson Angus K. Ho NG has already tweeted March. Moving on, Mukul says that the Poco F3 would be a rebrand of the recently launched Redmi K40 from China. Let's hope Poco surprises us in 2021 by bringing back the affordable flagship killer hype again. And on that note, thank you all for watching today's video. Consider subscribing because this really helps the channel out. Turn on notifications, and today's goal is to reach 500 likes on this video. So if you haven't already, smack that like button and follow me on Twitter, @OneTechEnthusiast. And with all that being said, I'll see you all in the next video. Peace.